Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix having no app drawer in your Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! Okay, so by default we should be able to swipe from the bottom to the top and actually see all our applications. But this is unfortunately not the case here, because now we are actually opening Google. So that's kind of shame, and let's get back our nice and beautiful app drawer. So let's go into the settings. In the settings we want to scroll a little bit down and enter home screen. And right at the top we have home screen settings, and currently we have classic home screen, so we can click it and we can just switch with app drawer. We also have some nice app suggestions, we can disable those, and we also have manage app categories, so we can basically categorize every single thing in our app drawer, which I believe is pretty cool. And I will just now go and test if the app drawer is working, and this. We now have the list of every single application, even with our little... Oh, that's okay, all. Yeah, so in the all section we have every single application, while we also have a nice different categories that we can also fully customize by going here. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.